If you like muffins, then you're definitely going to love my muffins recipe, okay? Please, if you like this video, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe, because this will help my channel to grow, okay? So please don't forget to do that for your girl. If you are new to this channel, I am Hirat and you're welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for passing by. In a mixing bowl, I will add my salted margarine, and next I will add sugar. So I will leave every details in the description box for you to check out, okay? And here I am going to use my whisk to whisk it very well until it doubles in size, and then I will continue. I will then add 2 large eggs to it, and here make sure to crack open it in a different bowl to check to see if the eggs are good, okay? So I will continue whisking it very well till it is well combined. I will then add milk, add lemon juice, and then add lemon zest. I will mix till it is well combined. I will then go in with 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and pinch of salt. At this point, I mixed milk with water and then added it into the mixing bowl. And here I had a shock of my life today. As I was doing this, my whisk decided to fail me. Just see, life of a content creator not be easy at all. So I was just lucky to be having another whisk, so I changed it and I continue with the process. So I will beat it till I get a fine batter like this. If you want your muffins to be a bit hard, then check your consistency, okay? I just wanted it this way because I want the muffins to be too soft and fluffy. I will then bring my tray with some muffin paper liners and then scoop some of the batter and fill it. And I added some sugar as my toppings. We'll bake it in the oven for 20 minutes until it rise, or you can use a skewer and then insert it in the middle. Once it comes out clean, then your muffins are ready, okay? Leave the muffins to cool down in the tray before you transfer it on a wire rack for it to cool down completely, okay? If you try this recipe of mine, you will just be doing it anyhow because the outcome is so delicious. It is so fluffy, very nice, and you can pair this with anything you're okay with. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video so my video can reach wider audience. Please, I am just begging you to help my channel to grow, okay? And don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. I hope you try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. Stay safe and I love you guys so much. See you in the next one. Bye.